We really need to talk about this lens, the Sony 24-70mm f2.8 G Master lens. Why? Well, I haven't taken it off my camera for the last 3 weeks. So, I've been taking out the Sony A7 III a few times over the last few weeks, and this is one of the go-to lenses that I take out with me, along with a couple of other ones. But here's the thing, I haven't been using the other lenses at all, and for the last shoot, I didn't even bring any other lenses with me. I stuck with the 24-70 G Master at the seafront, I stuck with it in the city, in the daytime, in the dark, in the dry, in the damp, shooting landscapes, shooting portraits, shooting sunsets, shooting cityscapes, shooting video, and I never stopped being impressed by this lens. Now, I know we've talked about this lens before, but I had to make a video about it again because it's incredibly sharp. It's got great contrast. I'm able to shoot an amazing landscape and then turn around in the same moment and get a great portrait. It's fast enough to shoot in the dark, especially while using the A7 III, and it's sharp enough wide open that I can shoot a landscape at f2.8. In fact, that last one is the one that keeps surprising me. I always think that eventually it's not going to work, but I can shoot a landscape image wide open at f2.8 and come away with a nice, bright, and sharp photo. And that's really significant because while I can shoot a landscape with a long exposure once it's darker, nothing beats being able to walk around, especially somewhere busy like the city, in the dark, and shoot cityscapes and landscape shots completely handheld. Now, this lens feels like a series of prime lenses rather than a straight zoom lens. It doesn't seem to have that image quality trade-off that you find in a zoom lens. So, are the downsides? Well, it's a bit heavy. It feels a bit heavy on the front of the camera, but to be honest, with the quality of this glass, that's fine with me. That's something I can definitely deal with. It's still a lighter system than a DSLR with a lens, and I like to feel a bit of weight to remind me of the quality. And that's something that you can feel. The quality shines through all the time, not just in the images, but the lens itself feels really high quality. Part of that is the weight we were talking about, but part of it is just the construction. The grips feel great, the manual focus and the zoom rings feel really nice. It's just a lovely lens, and honestly, if you've just got a Sony camera over the Black Friday period, or if you're going to treat yourself over Christmas, this is absolutely one of the lenses you should consider as one of your first ones. It's such a versatile lens that you'll be fine no matter what you shoot, and even if you end up with just this lens as the only lens you have for your new camera, you'll be absolutely fine. Now, make sure to pop any questions you might have about this lens down in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Hit the like button if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.